One of the main goals of meditation is to achieve mental tranquility, as well as feelings of well-being and relaxation. It can help your mind will become more rested, tranquil, and capable of making better choices. If you've never meditated before, you can start with 5 minutes each day, then gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Even if you think it's not working, don't give up. Allow yourself some time to feel the benefits of meditation. You will be able to notice how meditation improves your quality of life with your own eyes. Here are some basic steps for beginners. Number 1. Set a quiet and comfortable place to do your practice. Make a special place for yourself to meditate, and don't give yourself a reason to skip it. The most crucial thing to keep in mind while picking a location is that it makes you feel good. Although you don't need any assistance during meditation, some people find that lighting a candle or listening to soothing music helps. Adjust this point to your preferences so that you look forward to going there when meditation time arrives. Number 2. Sit comfortably and straight. The first step is finding a suitable position. If sitting cross-legged on the floor isn't comfortable, you can use a pillow, lean against the wall, or a sturdy piece of furniture, even sit in a chair. The important thing is to feel comfortable, so you don't get distracted during meditation. Make sure that your back is constantly straight and comfy. Number 3. Focus on your breathing. This is an essential part of meditation to focus on your breath. While sitting comfortably with your back straight, create sensitive awareness in your heart. Then raise your arms from either side of your body. Clasp your hands over your head in the Namaste position, while inhaling deeply through your nose. Then, while in the Namaste position, slowly exhale through your nose and lower your hands directly above your heart. Repeat the breathing exercise 3 times. Number 4. Pay attention to your body. Pay attention to how each portion of your body feels, and whether there is a tense point, then relax that place as you reach it. Many people feel their shoulders, upper back, and knees tense. The chin is one of the most common sites where tension is felt, so don't forget to relax it. Number 5. Observe your thoughts. Be aware of thoughts that are running through your head. If your mind wanders while you're meditating, gently bring it back to the present by focusing on your breath. Imagine you're outside, and you're simply a witness, observing your ideas pass by as they float around in your mind. That is all there is to it. Simply observe without being attached to any feeling that may develop as a result of your thoughts. You don't have to push yourself to forget what's on your mind. Number 6. End your meditation. When you're done meditating, take time to watch your thoughts, return your focus to your breath for a few moments and stay there. Then gradually adapt to your surroundings. Slowly up and carry on with your day. Attempt to maintain the awareness you've gained until your next meditation session. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.